Good morning, children. Let's revise number names today. Now, you all must be wondering as to why we are revising number names again. Children, just like everything in the world, even numbers have names. जैसे आपका नाम है, मेरा नाम है, सबका नाम होता है, isn't it? In the same way, उसी तरह से even numbers का नाम होता है, children. So, let's start knowing the numbers closely. Number names are the alphabetical form of numbers as the name suggests. These are numbers written in words, children. जिनको जैसे हम लोग कोई alphabetical में alphabets में नाम लिखते हैं ना, जैसे if my name is say Ocean, so Oshin, isn't it? So I will write it like that, isn't it? सो नंबर्स को भी हम नेम्स देते हैं और उनको अल्फ़ाबेट्स में लिखने से वो नंबर नेम्स बन जाते हैं. लाइक 30 फॉर एग्जांपल 30, अगर उसको हमको वर्ड में लिखना है तो कैसे लिखेंगे? विल स्पेल इट आउट, राइट? सो दैट विल बी THIRTY 30. नाउ द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू लर्निंग, अगर आपको फर्स्ट लर्न करना शुरू करना है नंबर नेम्स, the most important part of it is that you have to learn the spellings from 1 to 10, children. 1 to 10 अगर आपको लर्न हो गया तो बाकी के जो नंबर्स है आप बहुत ईजीली उनका स्पेलिंग्स बना सकते हो, बहुत ईजीली उनका स्पेलिंग्स लिख सकते हो. Now in this slide you can see that we have given you spellings from 11 to 20, isn't it? Abhi these spellings also are very important for you all to make number names. Okay, so learn these spellings up, children. All right, now after you made it to 20, जैसे आपने 1 से लगा करके 20 तक का spellings learn कर लिया है, isn't it? Now you simply match 1 to 10 with the next prefix. कैसे? जैसे आपको आप 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 का भी spelling learn कर लेंगे. Okay, learn these spellings also. Now, just look at this slide carefully, children. See, now from 21 to 30, these spellings we have given. Now, आप लोगों ने 1 का spelling learn कर लिया था, 20 का spelling learn कर लिया था, right? Now, to make 21, the spelling of 21, आपको 20 का spelling learn हो गया था, so you will just do learn the spelling of 21, isn't it? In the same way, here's how you will count from 50 to 60 also. Like 51. So, now let's revise some difficult spellings of numbers, children. Now the number on the screen is 13, isn't it? Now, what is the spelling of 13, children? THIRTEEN, 13. Now 19. NINETEEN, 19. 28. You know the spelling of 20? TWENTY. 8. EIGHT, 8, isn't it? The next spelling on the screen is 40. Yes, 40. Now FORTY, 40. 90. NINETY, 90. Now, children, there are these numbers from 0 to 39 and then 40, 50, 60 and 70. Just revise these spellings. Write it down in your rough notebooks, children. Now, children, it's an activity time. Yes? Are you all ready for an activity about what we learned so far? Now, you have to circle the number names, children. Yes. Now, on one side of the screen, you can see the number names. Yes, the spelling of the numbers. And on the other side of the screen, you can see the numbers, isn't it? Now, like 8, the first spelling written is 8. Now, you have to circle the number 8 on the other side. The next number is 16. Now, you have to circle the number on the other side, 16. Like this, do the whole page like this, children. Yes, now the answers are given on the slide, okay? Now crossword match for you all children. Let's see the exercise now. Okay, again on the one side of the screen there are numbers given and on the other side there are number names written, isn't it? You have to match the number with the spelling children, like 2. So where is 2, the spelling of 2 given on the other side? You have to match that with that. Then 12, then 22, then 27, 15, 11, 21, 30, 29, 24. Match all these numbers with the spelling. The answers are given over here. We have matched it for you. Now let's explore a few more numbers from the upcoming sheet, children. All right, now you have to circle the correct number for each word. Again, you have to circle the correct number, children. Do that quickly now. I'm sure you'll be able to do it. It's very easy for you all now. अभी बहुत easy हो गया, आप लोगों को आ गया है ये, isn't it? Thank you, children. Thank you, little masters. Hope